Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Smarttube on Firestick. So before installing anything, you need to allow side loading. To do this on your Firestick, go to settings, click My Fire TV or device and software, select developer option, turn on ADB debugging and apps from a known source. This lets you install apps from outside Amazon App Store. Step 2, install the downloader app. You need a downloader app to grab the Smart to file. Open the Amazon App Store on your Fire Stick, search for a downloader and install it. Open the downloader and allow the necessary permission. Now for the fun part, getting Smarttube itself and download, go to the browser section, enter this URL, download the latest Smarttube APK. Once it's done, click install and wait. When finished, click open and Smarttube is now on your Fire Stick. You don't have to sign in, but if you want access to your subscriptions, open Smarttube and click sign in. Follow the instructions and enter the code on YouTube's login page. Now, are you watching ad-free YouTube on Fire Stick? This method works great and takes just a few minutes. If you ever have issues, just update Smarttube from the same job page. So give it a try and let me know. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.